Hey, it's Steph. I've recorded so many process videos in the past year and never posted any. So 2018, I figured I should definitely start doing process videos because I love Project Life. I've been doing it for this 2018 will be my 5th year, and I still love the project. I'm still sticking with Design A. I'm sticking with 12 by 12. And I thought 2018, let's do this YouTube thing and try if it works. Maybe I can help somebody. Maybe I can give you guys some inspiration. Maybe I don't. But I just love the project and I'm a social media freak, so I figured let's do the YouTube thing. And I hope you enjoy it. So I'm starting off, as I just said, Design A. No, my title page this year was Design D, just because you saw in the beginning, and I do have it on Instagram. I used Design D for my cover page because I had this postcard I got at a trade fair um, that said, "What's your story?" and a picture of mine that was horizontal. So I just used a different design. So now I'm stuck with it, which was a challenge, I admit. I'm not comfortable really using it. This year I got Ellie Edwards' Story of the Month kit, which I'm super excited about. I do subscribe to her story kit digitally, um, and I use that a lot, but it's so different to like have the high quality cards in my hands and get happy mail every month. So I was really excited when it came in, I think a week ago or so. So this is what I'm mainly going to be using as Ellie Edwards products this year. Um, so I did find in one of the past kits, originally I did have the actual story kits. There was a marketing card that fit the theme really well, so I used that. And then in the middle there, the black and white pictures, it's since I had to work with a small, usually my landscape pictures are 4 by 6, so I used them in small and I did them black and white. You can't really see them, but what it is the holy mess that is my apartment right now. And I have the the We Are Memory Keepers mini alphabets punch, and I used I punched out the word help and put it on the pictures. You'll see the journaling later there too. Is I've been fighting depression, and it's up and down, and it's been really bad in the last couple of weeks. And one of the ways that shows with me is that I barely leave the bed and barely get anything done other than work. And so my apartment looks like hell right now. But as it is with New Year's, it's a new day, new year. Let's get this done and taken care of. So I already started. I got 2 rooms sparkly and clean, and I just really need this to uh, get my life fixed, is get my apartment fixed. On the left there, the number 1 is also a mini. I used the mini alphabet punch board again, and I was trying to pull the yellow from the fresh start card on the right and kind of have that repeated on the other side. So that's from the numbers kit, another Ellie Edwards kit, and I just put the 1 on there, and then that's the mega date stamp from Studio Calico, which I love. I'd been like debating for months and months and months to afford it, because not because it's expensive, it is, but the shipping to Europe was crazy expensive. Um, but then they came up with a bundle like sometime in the summer. So I finally got it, and I'm very happy with it. I'm using it all the time. You'll see it over and over again. Um, so the help on my messy pictures. Um, I used a selfie to kind of, which I really liked, to kind of document the start of the year, what I look like when I have makeup on. The 2018 is from the Simple Stories New Year's collection thing. And you saw me earlier. I There's a card from Ellie Edwards Story Kid. I'm not sure which one it was that like says truth and things don't always go as planned. Um, and it's a 4 by 6, which obviously didn't fit. So I just cut out the print and put it on a white 3 by 2 card, uh, horizontally, and just edited to that card. And that's when I'm going to put my journaling on. On the top there, the green one is it's another Ellie Edwards cards. And now we welcome the new year full of things that have never been. It's one of the cards from the new Story of the Month kit. And there's another card, like a blue one, that I really liked, but I like the green because it goes with the in the bottom there, the Shake Shack book, the blue. There's green in it as well, so that kind of pulls the color in again. Um, Down there in the bottom, I'm working on the picture now where I put the little chipboard down. It's concert tickets I got for a show in April for Claire Bowen, which I'm really excited about. If you watch Nashville, you know who Claire Bowen is. She plays Scarlett on Nashville, and I'm a huge Nashville fan. I'm a huge country fan, so that's exciting. That's the first time any of the Nashville people is actually coming to Germany, and we got tickets, and it's sold out by now, so I'm really excited. That's my best of 9 image that I put in there. As you can see, I didn't have very many pictures this week. It's been slow going. I've had a lot of work. The gold card is from the Story of the Month kit as well, and I just added a stem from the Ellie Edwards stem set that says New Year goals. I love the stem set that comes with a kit. It has all hip hip hooray and the Happy New Year and resolutions and goals and all that kind of stuff. But let's face it, like that stem set you can use like the first 2 weeks of January, and then it's gonna be really difficult. So I'm using it as much as I can. Journal a little bit on the book. It was one of the Christmas gifts. I love Shake Shack, and they have a cookbook, so one of my friends gave that to me, and I hadn't documented that yet, so I wanted to do that. The little tag is from the kit. It's the Stories of the Months, Ellie Edwards little thing that the kit came in, and I just kept that and use a tag, put a little bit on twine in there, and call that done, I think. Or actually, no, I journal what it is, which nowadays it's obvious, but I don't know, in 10 years probably nobody's gonna recognize what it was. The photo on top, as you can see, I don't really go by order ever. For me, it's like I move stuff around, and then I do whatever. Here, quick, I was gonna leave it, but then I figured it's a picture of tiramisu, so I at least write what happened. I went to dinner or went to lunch with a friend, and just journal straight on the picture. I don't worry that much about. I try to keep things cohesive in a colorway, but I journal where it fits. I put stuff on. I'm not too worried about any of that. Yeah, that's where I screw up. I wanted to put another stamp on the Fresh Start card to A, use a stamp, B, put something on there, and try to use the now, but I mess up and it looks awful. So I'm trying to see if there's a chipboard that fits on there, and I do find one in the same color. Which would I have done that if I didn't mess up? No, but it's good. It's whatever happens, you can cover it up. It's all good. It's not a problem. So yeah, just put that on there, and it actually looks kind of fun. It now says Fresh Start, so much to celebrate today. Doesn't fit 100%, but like I said, it's not a problem. It's all good. So last but not least, I use one of the little chipboards and put it on the date card. Fresh Start for the win. And I think that's pretty much it. You'll see in the close-ups at the end, I did add like a messy circle on the help, but you're not going to see that in the video. And yeah, put another chipboard on the help line, or the pictures with the help. But overall, that's all I did. It's just a few photos. Usually it's more pictures, although I mean there is 4 horizontal pictures of the messy room, but I just had to make them smaller. Once next week when I have design A to work with it, there is more pictures in it. But yep, that's, oh yeah. I didn't like the 2 circles under each other from the yellow card and the picture, so I switched them around, and then I add the date. I forgot the date on the picture, but that's pretty much it, and that's how it goes. Boom, first week done. And I'm actually current. I finished 2017, and here's a few close up, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.